Hello everyone, this is Tariq Ahmed, instructor at iPolitical. Today I will provide you some of the information which is paramount for us to know. You know that English is vital for us. Without English, we will not get a good job in the job market. Apart from, if you learn English or complete your IELTS examination and got overall 7 or 7.5 overall, you will get the opportunity to study in abroad, in any country, like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. So, most of the students who want to take IELTS examination, they will feel confused to how I will conform with IELTS examination. Never forget, IELTS examination is totally depend on your skill. It's not like master's examination or bachelor examination or HSC examination. Since it is called International English Language Testing System, so you will consider after complete or after taking your preparation to take IELTS examination, you will consider one of the international English, one of the international students. So I recommend you never stop for once. If you want to take your IELTS examination, please prepare yourself with full attention so that you can get your desired score. Thank you so much.